This video shows how to use the project state filter. In the current Get Data pull, I have a number of projects that are in the approved state. I have a project that is inactive, and I have a number that are in various other states: canceled, closed, proposed, and suspended. All of these projects have some resource or skill demand. That is to say, they have a resource plan. When we look at the resource supply demand analysis view on project demand sheet, we see the effect of all of these projects on the analysis. If we want to exclude certain of these projects from the calculation and perhaps from the view, we use the filter set state filter spec dialog. In this dialog, you select the states that you wish to have included, and then you use these checkboxes to determine the behavior after you finish with the dialog. So I can turn on the apply filter or leave it off. If I do this when I execute the dialog, I will see only the projects in these states. If I exclude inactive projects, I will not see whatever inactive projects I have. And if I apply this filter to the allocation analysis, the projects that are excluded from view will not count in the supply demand analysis. So let's look at what this looks like with the current setting that I have. So I have filtered from view the closed and canceled projects. I'm still seeing my inactive projects, and I'm seeing my suspended projects. And as you could see at a glance, there's been some modest improvement in the supply-demand analysis. So I might want to go the next step and narrow my spec down by excluding the suspended. And notice the way to make selections here, it's really a multi-select. So I select proposed and drag down and include approved, and now suspended is no longer included in the analysis. Again, I will apply this, and you can see that my proposed and approved projects have very little shortfall. So this is a fairly good view. However, I might also want to get rid of the inactive projects, and to do that, I check the exclude inactive projects, and one more time, and I have an even better supply-demand analysis. Now, when I say OK and include the checkbox apply filter, the filter project state command is automatically selected or checked. I can now toggle this specification that I've just completed on and off by clicking this command. So I've just turned it off, but notice that the ones I've excluded from the calculation are still excluded. That toggle only applies to the filter. So if I want to remove the effect in terms of supply-demand analysis, I must uncheck this checkbox here. I can apply this now, and now I see the impact of all of these projects that I'm looking at. If I now, again, toggle the filter project state filter back on, I'm seeing the selected projects, the ones I want to see, in this case, the proposed and approved projects. Again, in order to have the effect on supply-demand analysis, I have to go into my dialog and turn on the Use Filter in Allocation Analysis. This concludes the filter project state video.